One of my recent Upwork projects was building this AI sales platform for an agency. I've spent the last 5 plus years building and launching production software, from AI SaaS products and CRM platforms to workflow automation systems that are used by real businesses. In this video, I want to walk through the architecture behind this project, some of the engineering decisions that went into it, and how the different pieces fit together. Let's jump in.
Hi. Recently, actually, I have worked on a multi-tenant, like a text and voice agent platform, which is actually inspired from GoHighLevel architecture. So the person is actually signing up as an agency. Okay, so the SaaS platform actually have like a subscription for agencies, and they can create multiple business. So this is actually an agency dashboard. Unified ad tracking. So basically, it is connected with Facebook. Right. Then we have businesses. Basically, the agency can create unlimited business. Here, I have created this like Fusion one. It is actually white labeled. It have a unified inbox, so I can see like a conversation for all my businesses. And if I go to users, okay, it have one user created, and I'll just go ahead and select the one business, Fusion Sigma. Okay, so now we are in the business dashboard. Like how it basically look, we can in a single glance see how the leads contacted, the leads replied, the appointments that are booked, and the conversion rate. Okay, so it is both inbound and outbound. Like the platform supports both inbound and outbound, basically the outreach. And in the AI agents, we can create multiple agents. Like here I've created IG sales agent. I can go ahead and create a new one, name it, and then inside we can connect it to multiple channels. Like we can connect it with SMS, like phone, WhatsApp, Instagram. I have already added Messenger, web chat, or email agent. Okay, we need providers for these. Providers basically, if I just go to settings. Okay, so in settings, we have all these providers. Like we can connect with GoHighLevel, we can connect with Shopify, Stripe, Google, iPhone, and all these platforms. So we have Calendly, with Twilio. If we connect with Twilio, we can purchase our phone numbers. Like if I just go to phone, we can actually like either purchase our own phone number from here. We can either purchase our own phone number from here. Like we can purchase, and it will actually set up the SIP ranking. It is actually using LiveKit for the voice agent. So when we actually purchase a number, it automatically also set up their SIP trunking. So the number is like ready to be used for the voice agents. And it have like the A to B. Basically, I have created a complete setup for A to B, like a complete solution for A to B where a business can create their secondary customer profile. Because this business, the Cortana, is the like ISV profile, basically a service vendor. Now, all these like businesses are basically part of that main profile. So these will be created like a secondary customer profile. Then we register the brand, and then we submit some like business information. And in one day, actually, the database like successfully registered. Now it is also like using iMessage, and behind the scene it's actually using link. Okay, so there are two options, either link or send in blue. Now if I go back to integrations, so the primary integration with the CRM is GoHighLevel. Like if I connected with GoHighLevel, I'll be able to like use all the like messaging that GoHighLevel provides, like SMS, email agent, WhatsApp, Instagram, like everything I can use inside these agents. And all the conversations I will be able to see here in the conversations tab. And when we connect like our like this platform and the GoHighLevel will be connected in a two-way sync. Like whenever a customer is created on GoHighLevel, it will be synced directly here. Or when customer is created here, it will be synced directly back to the GoHighLevel platform. Okay, and we are using like we are listening to all the events. Like we can manage the custom fields, the tags, and everything. Okay, so it is actually, if I talk about architecture, it is like built in Next.js. Like the whole platform is built in Next.js and hosted on Vercel. Vercel is basically powering the white labeling. We like a business, like an agency, can create their account, start doing their white labeling, add their own domain, their own brand, and set up their own billing through Stripe Connect. Okay, and in the database, it is actually using MySQL, the Planet Scale database. All right, so now I will show the agent builder that is actually powering the whole application, the core feature of this app. All right, so this is the agent builder. So it is actually a multi-step agent builder, which is connected with the agent channel. Like in this case, it's Instagram. And we have some of the nodes like milestone, conversation, send message, and some control logic and AI tools, like a booking. And we have a booking node to book the lead into calendar. Okay, and this is actually synced with GoHighLevel. So all the leads that are being booked are actually booked into the GoHighLevel calendar. So yeah, so this is the agent builder, and it is actually using React Pro for this agent builder UI. For the front-end development and for the backend, for the AI agent orchestration, it is using a temporal service, which is Restack. Okay, so it is actually providing the infrastructure on top of our agent builder. Okay, so if I have to tell like the whole use case of this application, So this is actually an inbound and outbound focused like lead acquisition and conversion system, which actually connect with let's say your meta ads. So all the leads that you are getting from your funnels, and those are actually engaged and closed by the agents. So
That's a quick walkthrough of the platform and the overall architecture behind it. If you enjoy these kinds of production SaaS breakdowns, I'll be sharing more projects covering AI agents, voice AI, CRM platforms, workflow automation, and other systems I've built for clients. And if you're looking for someone to help architect or build your own AI SaaS product, you'll find my Upwork profile linked in the description. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next build.